Welcome to SAP Learning Academy, and in this video today I will be discussing about ranking function in SQL. And in this video you can see there are two parts. In the first part I will be telling about the ranking function without having any partition by clause, and in the second part I will be telling you about the partition by clause. Okay, let me start with the first part. Suppose you have a table where the fields are customer, country ID, material and quantity. Now you want to print the output, where the functions like row number, rank and dance number will be there. So let me tell you again that there are only three main functions are available in SQL for ranking functions. Those are row number, rank and dance rank. And now you are writing SQL like select customer, country ID, material, quantity, row number, rank and dance rank, and you are doing the order by quantity. So order by quantity is same for all, only we are changing the ranking functions. Now I will be telling you how this works. Suppose if we come to row number, here it shows the output how many rows you have in your table. So in this table you have 10 entries, so this row number will just print 1 to 10, that's all. And now if we come to rank function, how it works, suppose you are doing order by quantity, so it will look into the quantity, it will first do the order, and here this quantity changes from 500 to 600 at the fifth rows, so it will print fifth here. First it will start with 1, so this quantity is same for all these rows, so it will be 1 for here. And now when this quantity field changes, so it will print that row. Here is 5. Similarly 600 is same till here, similarly it is 5 till here, and when your quantity changes again, so it will show that row again. Here it is. Now I will move to dance rank. So now the dance rank is, it works like, when your quantity changes, it prints the next numeric like 2. It is not like rank. In the rank it provides that row number, but in this case it provides the next number, like you have 1, and now when your quantity changes from 500 to 600, it gives 2. Similarly this 500 is here, 600 is here, similarly your value will be 2. Once your quantity changes, so your rank will be changed to 3. So I hope you understood this part. Now I will move to partition by, and in this example I have taken only row number. I have taken a small example just to understand in better way. So here in row number, we can see this SQL first. Select customer, country ID, material, quantity, row number over partition by material, after that order by quantity. So we have this order by of quantities, and another concept is that is partition by material, and we have the material like this. Now we will look into this data here. Look, so row number, it will print, as I told in the earlier here, it will print all the rows available in your table. Yes, it works like same, but when you are giving partition, so it will print the data here as per the partition value. Suppose this partition 1001, and after that from here it is again 1002. It's a different value. So as soon as your material is same here, and row number will be showing as 1 2 3 4, and again once your value changes, once your material is changes, so it will show as again 1 2 3 4. Again your material changes and it will show 1 2. So in this case, partition by, it will look into the material and then it will print the values like 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. I hope you understood this video, and thanks for watching this video. I hope I will come up with next new video.